First of all, salam and respectable this house, gentlemen and audience. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I hope everyone is fine. Alhamdulillah. Today I am relaxed because I never thought that I can stand like this position or like this class. That's why I am very happy today. First of all, I am the Anwar Islam and the son of the Rami Muhammad. My father is normal before 8 months. If today I hope is that if today my father is alive, she will be very happy. This is my upset because my father is normal. Probably my father is normal, but my brother is, my elder brother is alive. I want to tell you that I am very glad to get like this prize. Also, I want to tell you that we are the refugees. We have nothing. No letters, no educated person, no good doctors. We have nothing. What will you do in our future then? We need to think it. If we went to think to this thing, first of all we need this question. Because we are the refugees, we are the refugees, that's why. Education is very important in our life, actually. If we all want to be the educated person, we need to get struggle many times. If we can...
No battery, please charge.
If we can struggle this time, I hope everyone will be reached the destination. Because time is too short. Also, all present here to this annual prize distribution ceremony. Thanks to them. If you get any mistake by me, I hope everyone will pardon me. At least salam to all. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
शुक्रिया। ऑल स्टार